Hi guys, today I decided to make a heavy breakfast, and the ingredients you need are eggs, onions, baked beans, bell peppers, tomato paste. First, I fried my onions a little bit, and then add my tomato paste and stir it until it's mixed properly. Next, I put my bell peppers in with the onions and tomato. I add just a little bit of water with it, and then add my baked beans. I use the tablespoon to make holes where I will crack my eggs. Ready, and out from the oven. Let's serve it.